We have addition of polynomials. We have two polynomials. First, we have to take down the parentheses. So we have n squared plus 2nm plus 3m squared plus, and before parentheses we have positive sign, so we take down parentheses and keep the sign which we have in parentheses. So n cubed plus 4mn plus 2m squared plus 5 plus mn. Next we have to combine the like terms. So we have here two variables n and m. So we start from the highest power is n cubed. Is only one term with n cubed. So we have to copy n cubed. We can cross this because we have this already. Next we have n squared, and again we have only one variable with n squared, so we have to put plus n squared. When we don't have sign, it's positive, so that's why we have positive n squared. So that variable we have. Next we have 2nm and 4mn. When I multiply n times m or m times n, is multiplication, so it doesn't matter if I put first m or n, it's still the same value will be when we multiply these two variables. It's still, we can always change and first put n or m. So maybe first I will rewrite 2nm in the same order like we have for these two terms. We have mn and mn, so we will rewrite 2nm, that this is 2mn. Next we have plus 4mn, and we have plus mn. So let's cross this three terms, and next we have 3m squared and 2m squared, the same variable with the same power. So we have to copy variable and the power, and we have to just add the coefficients. We have 3 plus 2 is 5. And because we have positive 2 and positive 3, so we keep positive sign. And the constant we have only 5, so it will be 5. So now we have to combine these three terms. When we don't have coefficient, is always invisible 1. So let's start from the beginning. We have n cubed plus n squared, and now the same variables mn, 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 so we copy mn, and we have to add the coefficients before mn. So it's 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 1 is 7. And because these three coefficients are positive, so we keep positive sign. And the last two terms we have to copy 5m squared plus 5. This is my solution.